Hi everyone. If you saw my video a couple of days ago, maybe a week ago, I was talking about maintaining your mental health, but I was at the car wash maintaining my car, maintaining the cleaning of my car and vacuuming out my car, which I never do. And when I came home that day, it was so funny. This was on my coffee maker, and it's the clean light. It's like, hey, you need to clean your coffee maker. And I thought, yes, there's so many things that we have to maintain in our lives. And sometimes it feels overwhelming. Like, oh my gosh, I have to do all this stuff and it's so time consuming. And sometimes it costs money, but it's so worth it. Because if I just ignored my clean button on my coffee maker, it probably would still make coffee most of the time, but it probably wouldn't taste very good. And it might get all gummed up inside, and then it wouldn't work anymore. And I cannot get up and not have my coffee ready to go. And I would have to throw it away and get a new one because you don't get your coffee maker fixed because they're throwaway items. We are not throwaway. So we have to maintain our mental health because we want to have this long, beautiful life. And there's so many things that if we don't maintain our mental health that are going to not work anymore, or we could get sick, physically sick and more mentally sick. There's like mental health kind of builds on itself. Like if you don't take care of it, more and more things mental health wise can happen. So in December, I'm going to do a series about maintaining your mental health, and I'm going to have tips and ideas and things for you to check out and download. And I'm so excited about it. I've been working on it, and I thought, well, I want to share it with you so you can be anticipating December as your mental health maintenance time. I'll talk to you soon.